All right. You guys are probably thinking, Outwitme guy, that's silly. That's a dollar soapbox that you can get from Walmart. And it's true. This guy goes a long way when it comes to your travel section over there in Walmart. It's used for carrying a bar of soap, but I honestly think this is one of the best things that you can carry around in place of an Altoid tin. And the reason why is because I showed you my old Altoid tin, This is my nostalgia one. I'm not going to show you my new ones yet. I still have those on videos. I'm coming up with some stuff. But check this out. The whole kit, literally the entire wrap, the microfiber, and my card that's in there, fits inside this super snug. It has advantages over the Altoid tin. I mean, it's plastic, of course, But some of the advantages that it has, I would say, is literally when you close it, your Altoid tin, here, I got a blank one right here, it sits literally right on the level here of where it closes. And so it fits inside, and then you still have all the space up here. And I'm going to make a really cool kit out of this. I actually have quite a few ideas of what I'm going to do with this particular thing. But yeah, this is $1 at Walmart, And I'm pretty sure it holds soap, so it actually might be watertight. However, if you're not sure about the watertightness of it, you can put some tape around the edges, which I think I might actually do. You can even reinforce, the hinge itself, with a sheath. Put a sheath over this thing so it slides in and out really nicely. But yeah, check this out. And they come in different colors. I have this one right here. And it has ample storage. Holy crap. You always see showcase. You always see, your tins. But check this out. If you turn these ones upside down, keep it even. Check this out. You can put 4, where in this one you can only put 3. And you can still put them on top. You can still have more space. Check that out. What I also like about this is I'm going to show you super secret. This is for another video, but I'm going to go ahead and break it out. I just showcased it on this. So, okay, yeah, I'm going to keep these ones in here. But this guy right here, I've already been playing around with it. It's the larger tins. You can put 3 of those across the bottom and also the top. Check that out. They stay nice and snug because I have them fastened with some Velcro, And I'm actually changing this. I have a sheet of Velcro sitting in here. See, look how nice those come out. They fit right in top. You literally have enough space for an Altoid tin on the bottom because when you close it, it literally is just the top. But I have a full sheet. In my new versions of this thing, I'm going to be showing you some different things. But I'm going to have, instead of having the full fur on here, I'm going to go ahead and just have dots of Velcro. But check this out. They fit nice and snug. Literally right up in there. Right up in the lid. You can have your kit down here. Whole kit down there. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom to find something. And then all of a sudden you just have, your 3. These are the long ones. I do prefer the long ones, or the big ones. Ugh. Oh yeah, this is the only problem. If you stick this thing too hard to the Velcro, it gets stuck forever. You can't get it off. Ugh. Plus, I'm also rushing right now. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, first try. But no, realistically though, if you put that in there, I keep it nice and loose so it just pops out. The second ones are easier because you can just reach underneath them. Since the top is curved, you can you get a little bit more space under the bottoms there, which actually can be used. You can probably even put something along that line. For this particularly, if you look, you see this strip right here. Since there is a curve in the lid, I have the strip that I cut off the end of this part right here in the middle to kind of keep it a little bit more even. But in my future videos or my future projects with these, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I'm going to leave the curve because I can just put the dots, and the dots will allow me to get into a little bit more secure space. I have nothing inside of these ones yet. I'm saving it for a special something, but yeah, even on the bottom, you can put 3 of these on the bottom. You can't put it on the top here because it won't fit. However, if you turn one upside down, They fit nice and snug. Isn't that cool? This one's clear too, and which I do like the clear ones. But this right here, you know, you do have your 4. Get those all nestled nice in there. Gives you a little bit of space on the side. You know, you can even, like I said, put the dots, the Velcro dots on the top here. And you would have to proportion these just right to get them to sit right up here. You know, because like, of course, there's that top there. But, you know, if you put oh crap, even if you put like a card or something across the top there to make it a little bit more flat, and then had your magnetic strip, have one of these sitting, you know, against that, you know, or even my my card here, and so that, you know, put that on the top, make it a little bit more even on the surface there, you know, and then you could fasten these to your top there, and then when you open your kit, you'll have all your stuff down here, and you won't have to dig down to the bottom to get to one of these guys. You know, it's just, these are really, really cool things, and they're only $1. You know, you can get them at the travel section in Walmart. You can even probably get these at the dollar store, realistically. You know, it has a nice, satisfying click. I do like that, you know, especially when you stick something, you know, like this in there, squish it down, and it's like, oh, yep, clip, done. You know, keeps it nice and secure. Made for holding soap, guys. Literally, showcase video. I recommend going out and buy these. Plus, they also can fit in your pockets. Come on, I mean, it's not that much bigger than the kit that I built. You know, you can slide right down your pocket. It's curved. It has a smooth surface, and so it won't get caught on anything as you're pulling it out. If you put it in a sheath, you know, I mean, you might run into some complications. You know, I usually keep the sheath and stuff like that to have extra duct tape and to keep my tins closed. This, I don't think I'd have a problem with keeping it closed, but realistically, I probably will make this fatter on the outside. I haven't made a kit yet with one of these, but I am excited to. You know, I've had a few of those. Technically, I have created a kit with those. I carry one of these in my vest at work all the time, and what I have inside of it is I have gum on the bottom. I know this because I open it every single day. I have a thing of Q-tips, you know, right here. It's the travel section Q-tips that you get. And then I have rubber bands in there because I need an ample amount of rubber bands at my work because people are always stealing the ones that we use for our things. But you know, and then I have some wax cleaners for my ears because I use Q-tips quite a bit, and I use these wax cleaners that you have a scoop side and then you have a scratch side, you know, and it's for your ears. But I carry one of these every single day in my pocket, and I use it so much. You know, I've probably used one of these probably over a year at least, and literally it's like, yeah, it's worth it. Trust me, guys. Grab one of these. You will not be disappointed, especially if this is just a hobby. You know, even if you have a main kit, buy 4 of these. Buy, you know, and put them, you know, back to back and stuff. You can carry them in a backpack. They're super nice. One can be even a little first aid kit. But yeah, I wanted to showcase a soap holder. $1 Walmart travel section. Get it. And also have a great day.